It does not take a lot. If you look at this chart they give you when you get the mixing colors, this chart kind of shows you how many pellets you need to put in there according to how much you already have in the pot. So I put 1/4 of a cup. This chart reads for every tablespoon, that's how many pellets you're putting in there. So if I wanted a really light yellow, I'd put 3 yellow in there. If I wanted a really dark black, if I wanted black, I'd put 8 of them, 8 of the black pellets in there. So depending on how much you have in there is how many pellets you need to put. So it does not take a lot. I've got 1/4 of a cup. Simple math tells me that 1/4 of a cup has 4 tablespoons in there. So according to the chart, if I want a really bright yellow, which I do, I need 5 yellow for every tablespoon, so that is 20. Literally a pinch. A pinch. That's probably enough right there. I still got half of my pinch left. Put that back over to the side. Now we're just going to let the plastic melt. Okay, just like we did before, except it's not going to change color really. You're just going to kind of see it. You're going to see it kind of start to stick to what we already got down there. All right, let's go ahead and pull this bad boy up. Like I said, make sure to shake off the water so you don't get a geyser surprise when you start to squeeze the plastic out. And if you look, it just looks like the pellets are in there, but if you start to mix it, you can see that the dye that's in there is melted. So the more I work it, the more it incorporates that color in there, and the yellower it becomes. Yellower, I'm sure that's a word. Looks like some Laffy Taffy.